To that corner.
Brilliant save from Sam Johnson.
Saka's corner. Deeper one. Johnston. It's hit the post. It's gone in. And Bukayo Saka may well claim that. Johnston just couldn't keep it out. It cannoned off the post, and Arsenal have taken the lead.
Rob Edwards looks on. Just can't believe that his team had defended for so long and concede such a sloppy goal.
A bit edgy at the moment. Mane gets a shot, it deflects and it's in. It's been turned in by Tolu, and Wolves out of nothing have equalised. Saka plays another one in. There's the header and there's the goal. And Gabriel Jesus is off the bench, and has he won it for Arsenal?
Tim, that is a massive, massive goal. Fantastic play from Bukayo Saka on the right-hand side.